everyone, welcome back once again in my YouTube channel. In my previous video, I have shared how you can create a form and create the connection and how you can showcase the data. So let me show you the demo what we have done yesterday in the previous video. So we have created this. In my this video, I am going to show you how you can use this HTML special characters with the help of the form. Sorry, in form how you can use the HTML characters, and with the help of that how we can create a form and what are the use of them that I'm going to show you in this video. So keep watching this video till the end because this video is going to be very helpful for in the beginner level of and the advanced level already know about it. Ready? Okay, so HTML is okay. I'm just going to create another file. So I have created the file successfully here and okay, it's going to name form handling. Okay, so now I'm going to create the form here. Okay, firstly I'm going to create the form. Later name okay, and then we're going to go in the next level with the input. And type will be text, it will be name, will be name. Another is a label for name, label. The input of this input type will be name again, and type equals also name, and name equals to email. Let's close it out, and then again we're going to put the email and type in some, and then it's a sum has been created. So the form has been created. It's a very shorter form as we have created. Okay. Here is the previous one. I'm going to use the HTML special character. Sorry. Okay. I'm going to create the copy paste. I just want to save and found myself for the any of its error. Okay. The form has been created successfully, and let me show you the form is going nothing here. Again, I need to create the folder and anything from the category. So I will do section. So this form.php and method will be post. Okay. So here I'm going to create the another folder which having the name is okay. So now again I want to check whether my connection is created successfully or not. So I'm just going to put my name here, email ID here, and then some name. And yeah, the connection has been created successfully. Let's go to the my process form.php because our earlier part has been done. Now we're going to create the PHP script here. So for that purpose, I'm just going to use the PHP or here I'm going to create the connection. If server method server wrong I guess server uh, server request and request method first request to host. Okay, so it will be closing out here. Okay. So now we're going to get the data. So for that, again, we have to put the name variable here, and then we're going to put post here, and then the and the name here will be this. Another is email. Email. We have to be very sure about the name of the variable because as it is the case sensitive, so we have to be very careful about the name convention. Now we're going to use the HTML special characters, convert special characters to HTML entities, and for that purpose, I'm going to do the name equals to HTML special characters, and then we have to do the name or empty quotes. Okay, I'm going to tell you what is the use of it. Do not worry about that. Even if you are a beginner and do not know how to use it, then I will let you know how you can use it. Just wait, and then I'm going to put that. Yeah. Okay. Here is showing the error message. Feature characters. Okay. Here is several code happened, which must not be happened here. Okay. Another is for the email as well. So I'll just save my time and do the copy paste again. It will be for the email now. So we have to replace name with email. Okay, and yeah. Okay. Now we're going to put the output echo. So name. Okay. Mm, Dollar. Mm, Echo. Now again we're going to do for the email here. Dot and variable, and then we're going to put the we are here. Don't forget to the double with commas, and then here. Okay, there is another. This is heavy. Okay, yeah. Yeah, just okay. So this has happened. Let's see what data is going now. Oh, it is not reflecting completely. Maybe have some error. Yeah, it must not be used here. Mm, okay. So, see what I'm doing here. It's a very biggest mistake that I'm doing here. Image is there. Then, so it was not able to come. Let me check if it's right. Mm, I think it's not showing data. Mm, so else we're going to do is go first. Okay. If there is any error or something, then it will comes out in the query request method. Okay. So since our connection failed successfully, but having some kind of a data missing. Hmm, okay. The method is supposed. It must be in capital letters, by the way. Okay, yeah. So, as you could have see, there was a small mistake, and that was the post which was in the lower letter. So we always we have to be make sure it about it must be in the capital letter. Okay. So when suppose I'm just putting the wrong mistake here spell here, and then let's check the data what is showing. So yeah, invalid request is already here, and here the invalid request here. Okay, and I'm just putting the same one now as before, and I'm going to check. Yeah, so it's successfully happened. So that's how we can create the HTML special character use here, and this is called the then or and always I always prefer whenever you're just creating any of connections, so always we go with the HTML special characters. Why? Because of your form data will be safe and sound. Thank you for watching this video. In my another video I will share you how you can create a get request and get the data and other form handling process functions, newly functions I'm going to share you in my another tutorial. So keep watching my PHP series where I'm going to share you all the important related concepts of the PHP, which will help you out to make your concept more advanced, build and make yourself towards the PHP developer as a more advanced. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned.